Hello everyone, I have a cool new shop update for you. If you are familiar with the Kidrobot series, then you will love this shop update. I received some packages today and I got in the Kidrobot Yummy series, which is like one of my favorite ones. So I got in the breakfast series and then I got in the desserts. So these are the vinyl collectible figurines. So for the breakfast series, this is how the packaging look. They are blind boxes, so you will not know which one you will get, and they will be sent at random. You can get any of these designs, which are super cute. And for the desserts, here is the box. I really do love the packaging. And you can get any of these designs. I really do love those too. And I want that one as well. And these are, I'm not sure the prices of them, so I'm not going to even try to say. So here is one that I have already opened, and it comes with a key ring, so you can put it on your keys, and then it comes with this little lobster clasp, so you can put it on your zipper pull, or you can take the clasp out and turn it into a cool little pendant for a bracelet. And it has a little googly eyes. Of course, the eyes doesn't actually move, but it still look like googly eyes. Very textured, and this one is the bagel, and it's a decent size. Then I got in some breakfast keycaps, so I have the orange and the strawberry one, and these will be perfect for making your keys look different, so you know if one is for your home, one is for your car, or whatever you want to do with them. Then I have the coffee and the muffin. I have the donuts and the egg and the toast. For the keycaps, these will also be sent at random as well, because I have tons of different designs. Well, I basically have these 4 designs, but they will be sent at random. And then I decided to get these yummy breakfast erasers. And I'm thinking these are puzzle erasers, but I'm not sure, but they look like it. And these will be sent at random as well, because the way they come in the packaging, you never know which one you're going to get. So I have the milk carton, and I'm not sure what that is, but and then a coffee cup and the cinnamon bun. And this one looked like chocolate milk, and I'm still not sure what that is. So all of these items are listed on my website. Again, I'm not sure of the prices, so I'm not going to even try to say. I do actually have these listed on my Amazon.com page as well. Also, I did get in some Squishies, but I do have tons of more coming. You know, a lot of people keep asking me about the Rilakkuma and Hello Kitty Squishies that was reproduced. I do have those coming as well. And I do have a couple of them listed on my website, but I'm always busy, so it's hard to like list the items on my page, because it's a lot of work you have to do. You just can't put the picture on there and call it the day. Well, some people do, but I don't. So I do have in these squishes, and these are really soft, but I don't want to squish these. I actually have 2 open already, so I'm just going to grab those real quick so I can show you. So these should be listed by the time this video uploads. So let me grab these. Okay, so here is one of the squishies that I have out of the packaging. And it is super soft and squishy. And this one is my personal one. That is why I'm squishing it. As you can see, it takes a long time for it to get its shape back. So I really do like these. And it comes with a stretchy cell phone strap. Also, that is the last thing I have to show you. But I do have pre-orders up on my website for the Sammy Christmas Squishies. Now, I must tell you, I'm only ordering a minimum of some of the designs. Now, for the Christmas cake, I'm ordering more of those, because I just think those are different, and They don't really have the Sammy character on them. Now those do come with a magnet on the inside, because the other three Sammy Santa Claus have magnets on those. And so what you do is you put the Sammy Santa on top of the cake if you want to. But I only ordered a minimum supply of those because I don't want to be stuck with tons of stock again. But I really do like the Sammy Christmas cake, so that's why I decided to go ahead and offer those. And then the snowman, and the Sammy snowman, I only ordered like a small amount. So if you are looking to buy those, go ahead and buy them now. I'm not sure. Well, no, I am sure the price they're around $6.50, but I will have some sales going on. So you should be able to get those for a lot cheaper. So just stay tuned for that. So thank you all for watching my shop update. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. I do have Twitter and all of those as well, so you can keep up with me. I do have a new vlogging channel as well, so if you want to check that out, you can. But yeah, that is all. Bye bye.